Introduction. After logging in to the WiseBase database, you will see the desktop option on the top right, where you can view basic information about your account, such as the type of your subscription, functionality available on your account, the number of user accounts or used disk space. You have access to information about updated required product descriptions. These are so-called Anforderungen and comes from the retailers you work with. The blue bar shows the total level of completing product descriptions for all retailers. The pie chart below shows the current level of completing product descriptions for a specific retailer. Main menu. There are several tabs on the top bar that allow you to access the basic features of WiseBase. Desktop. Clicking this icon will redirect you to the home page of the user panel. Database of description. After hovering over the tab Beschreibungen option, you can select between Liste der fehlenden Beschreibungen or Liste der hinzugefügten Beschreibungen. Now I will tell you more about these options, as you will probably use them most frequently. When you click on the Beschreibungen, Liste der fehlenden Beschreibungen, you will see a chart with the requirements of the product descriptions. From the left-hand side, you will see a column with the description sent by the retailer, GTIN code, the internal product number, added, retailer, supplier, supplier code, status of the product card, and the column Aktionen. To create a new product card, click on Aktionen, neue Produktbeschreibung hinzufügen. Please feel free to watch another video tutorial explaining how to add new product card on the WiseBase platform. Let's jump back to the other options. By selecting the Beschreibungen, Liste der hinzufügten Beschreibungen, system redirects you to the Datenbank der Beschreibungen page. In the following table, you can see the product cards you created, which might have either the Arbeitskopie or Fertig status. You can use the Aktionen button to view, edit, print, send offer, delete, create a copy or change the sales status of product cards. If you have many products in the database, you can search the product description by description, EN code, product number, supplier code, producer, user, retailer, status, and availability. You can also search the product descriptions by choosing product category or using the filters available below. By marking the products you are interested in with a checkbox, you can export them to PDF, to external links, to an Excel file, or to withdraw, delete, or send an offer. To optimize your work with product descriptions, you can also copy the cards you have created by clicking on Aktionen, Copy erstellen. Producers and brands. Before you start to add a new product card, remember to define the manufacturer and brand data, as this is a mandatory field for all product cards. To add a new producer, go to the Produzenten und Marken section, click on the green Hinzufügen button, then enter the name of the producer, a short description, and the GLN, Global Location Number. If your company does not have a GLN number, click on Keine GLN-Nummer. Upload a photo with the manufacturer's logo and click Speichern. You proceed in the same way when you add a brand. Click on the green Hinzufügen button and fill in the required fields. You can select the producer from the already created list. After filling in all mandatory fields, click on Speichern. Company address. In addition to producer and brand, you will also need to provide the supplier address and the return address. Select the Adresse des Unternehmens option and click the Hinzufügen button. If your company does not have a GLN number, click on Keine GLN-Nummer. Define the addresses for the return shipment as well. Go to the Adresse der Rücksendung section and click on the Hinzufügen button. Premium options. In the Premium Options tab, you can find the product import functionality, which has been presented in a separate tutorial. Help. In the upper right corner, under Anleitung tab, you can find PDF manual of WiseBase platform. Company profile. In the last tab, Firmenprofil, you can check your company information by clicking on the column Ihr Konto. You will have access to user data and information about the supported retailers and supplier number. Under the tab Benutzerliste, you can find current users and the networks they support. Feel free to use other tutorials available here if you should have any further questions.